Hello again, Kramer here. This is part 2 of the dual pump setup. So here it is, all finished. So original factory pump there, and second aftermarket Deutschwerks DW200 pump there. Just mounted to the side. Got your Y block, one-way valve, and bulkhead union coming through for supply and return. So all hunky-dory. Now I just had it set up with a bucket of fuel. It's probably not the safest way to do things, but you like to take a few risks in life. But yeah, just checking that there's no leaks here before it gets fitted into the tank. So it's not a big drama if these leak, because they're just going to leak back into the tank. But you know, I like to check these sorts of things and make sure that these are actually tight, and you know, the way these AN fit-ins seal is just with a taper join, a taper seal, so there's no O-rings or anything like that. And if you over tighten them, then there is the chance for them to leak. It's best to just what I normally do is hand tight, and then just get an AN spanner of the right size, and then just nip it up. Just give it one little nip, don't wrench on it too hard, and that is more than adequate for these types of fittings. So that's what I've done, and I just had this set up with some fuel, and yeah, no leaks, which is good. So in terms of the wiring, what I did was just basically run them both together. So oh, there we go. Spitting fuel out. Yeah, so both pumps run together, and we'll see how we go with that. It's plenty of flow, and if we have any issues down the track, then I'll reassess it then. It would be nice to have them running independently, controlled by the ECU, but I think that might be a bit overkill. We'll have to redo some other wiring through the body if I want to go down that route, but we'll see. Okay, right, that's all for today. I'm going to get this fitted into the tank, and the next step is to put this fuel in the tank and make sure that none of my other lines have got leaks. So I'll just ensure that they're not leaking, the ones that I've fitted and installed, and we'll check all that, and hopefully it'll all be good. Okay, until the next one, see you later.